Okay guys, we are installing the power supply sockets for the screen. So the power sockets that we are going to use. Okay, so I will show you how I will install this power. The line, neutral and ground. Okay, so most probably this brown and blue wire will go to line in neutral, and the yellow wire will go to the ground. Okay. Okay, so we already installed the three wires, line, neutral and ground. So now we will fix the power socket to the wall. Okay, so since this is wood, so we are going to use wood screw. Okay, so this is our socket now.